A donor advised fund, or DAF, can be one of the more tax efficient charitable tools available, especially during high income years. But a lot of people have never heard of them. Here's a simple version. Think of a donor advised fund almost like a charitable investment account. You contribute money or investments into the account, and you may be eligible for a tax deduction. And then you can distribute money to charities over time. Now, here's where it becomes a very powerful tool. Instead of donating cash, you may be able to donate appreciated securities. For example, let's say you bought a stock for $20,000 years ago, and today it's worth $100,000. If you sold it first, you likely owe capital gain taxes on the $80,000 of gains. But if you transfer those shares directly into a donor advised fund, you may be able to reduce or avoid capital gains on the donated amounts, subject to IRS rules, and you may be eligible for a charitable deduction based on the fair market value, subject to any applicable limitations. That can become very powerful, especially in high income years. Maybe you sold a business, maybe you exercised stock options, maybe you had a large bonus or a Roth conversion. Those are all types of years where itemizing deductions may make a lot more sense. And then in lower years, you may simply take a standard deduction. This strategy is sometimes called bunching deductions, where you stack multiple years of charitable giving into higher income years to maximize the tax benefit. Then you can still give to charities gradually over time from the DAF. So instead of writing checks every year individually, you create flexibility and potentially improve tax efficiency. And another nice feature is money inside the DAF can often stay invested while you decide which charities to support later, depending on the available options and subject to market risk. For the right family, it can be a strategic planning tool that combines charitable intent with tax giving. If you want to know if this makes sense for you, feel free to reach out. We're always here. Take care.